Thank you. It's good to have you here with us on Frontier Africa Reports. It's a very big day for the Nigerian Stock Exchange in its 60 years of existence. But the key question for you, sir, is can you give us about a minute to track this development of demutualization of the stock exchange up to this particular day?
Yeah, thank you, Boston, for this very important interview, because this is a great day and a milestone day for the Nigerian Stock Exchange, for the Nigerian economy. You realize that everything up to this point has been seamless, no rancor, nothing to really disturb the market. I give you a good history. New York Stock Exchange did it 3 times. First time it was a failure, second time it was a failure, until the third time. So which means we are really properly guided against the mistakes of the New York Stock Exchange and other exchanges that didn't make it in one go. But for Nigeria, today is a milestone day, something very important, and I must have to congratulate the management of the exchange, the stockbrokers, and the Action for a wonderful job they have done to bring this without anybody having any problem. The board has been very good.
You've been part of the Nigerian Stock Exchange as a chartered stockbroker and the CEO of one of the dealing firms. I'm sure you've been part of this process over the last 20 years since the NSE started.
Correct.
How has it been for you as an individual in what the vision had always been of what demutualization or going public would mean, first for the Nigerian Stock Exchange, second for those of you who are dealers and investors, and for the Nigerian economy in general?
For the dealers, I think they should be happy because this is now going to be a privately limited liability, company, PLC, which is now open to everybody to invest in. And this is going to open up another form of confidence for the Nigerian stock market, because confidence in the past, since 2008, has been waning. But with this very thing today, confidence in this market is going to return, because everybody is now involved, and part of it is not for them, it's now for us. And then for the operators, registrars, other market dealers, they are going to know that this is our period, this is the time we have to be in. And for the ordinary members, they'll be happy that over the years have been struggling. This is the first time they can reap from this market. And then for the Nigerian investor, they should know that this is the time for them to come in here. Some of them have been talking about confidence. This will bring up confidence in our market, and I think it is good for them. Remember, Boston, the market, money market has fallen seriously. You don't have interest rate coming up again. Treasury rate is almost zero. If you look at if you calculate it, it's almost zero return. So this is the place to go. So those funds that are idle there, they should now, instead of going to the Treasury bill market, where it has to be minimum of 50 million for them to deal, if you come in here with any amount, you are welcome. That is the beauty of this market. Confidence will come back.
Thank you very much. We appreciate that. It's a very great day. I'm sure you have looking forward to the meeting that will take place in about an hour from now or less. Thank you so much. It's good to speak with us on Frontier Africa Report.